Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a short, sharp video because I'm insanely busy at work, so I do apologise. So not only is the sun out, which is a nice thing here in the UK to be able to get out and fly again, it seems another good thing to come out of today is DJI have now fixed the charging issue when connected to a controller for iOS devices. That issue has now been resolved with the latest DJI Fly update 1.4.3. Now, if you do go to the DJI download page, as usual, it is still showing 1.4.2. However, if you do visit the Apple App Store, you will see the correct version is 1.4.3. There's no release notes to say that it's fixed the charging option, but it has. The only downside, I've got something in my eye, the only downside is the fact that just like Android now, there is no option to turn the charging on or off. It is completely fixed. Now, obviously, if you're an Android user, you've been used to this already, but iOS not so much. You've always had that option to be able to toggle it on or off. So now, sadly, it is now completely fixed on, unless they, of course, release another update to give it the option. So let me know what you think about that as well. I do appreciate that many of you didn't like the charging anyway. So quite often when it was removed, most of you did actually say that you was actually fine with that, so I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Secondly, I've seen some rumours on and mumblings on social media regarding the Android app version beta. Now, as you can see on screen, if you click into this menu here, you can see there is a beta download for the DJI Fly app 1.4.2 for Android. However, this is not actually correct, and when you click the button to download it, all it actually gives you is app 1.4.2.1006, which is basically the one that we're on anyway. Not entirely sure why this update is in two places, or that DJI have called this place a beta, but ultimately you can click it and download it, but it does nothing and above the 1.4.2 that you've already got anyway. So hopefully you enjoyed this little update. I've got loads of ships to visit for my job, so I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.